Here's my initial instructions. Notice that glass 1 and 2 should be the same, and 3 and 4 should be the same. The 1 obviously has more than glass 2 does. It says it corrects it, but it actually adds a fifth glass. It still has 5 glasses when the prompt only said 4. But then we ask, does sorry involve emotions? So finally, after telling me it doesn't have emotions, it shows me the 4 glasses, so I think it's safe to say it might not have been drinking completely.